It's Thursday, July the 28th. We have a mess of green beans that Amanda has picked, and today we're going to pressure can them. Two people, two stations, and two different ways. Amanda's a snapper and Lee's a cutter. And they will all go in the same place.
We finally finished snapping and cutting the beans, so now we are assembling all of our product, which is a bowl and two trays full, to do our canning. And I don't think I need my sunglasses anymore. I'm putting beans into the jar so that we can pour hot water over them, and then we'll put them into the pressure canning.
So we're pouring boiling water onto the beans, leaving 1 inch of headspace at the top of the jar. And each jar gets a lid and a band. We've already put 7 of the quarts into the canner, and now we're going to put the 5 quarts and 2 pints in on the top level. And we ended up with some extra beans, but we did fill up all of these. Come over here and look in here. There's you're not supposed to have any jar touching any other jar. They're supposed to have steam come up around them. And you can do it, but it does take a little bit of engineering to make sure that works. So now we put our lid on. The pressure canner is heating up now, but it has not yet reached the boiling point. When it reaches the boiling point, we'll see steam coming out of the vent. Okay, the steam is coming out of the vent now, and we're going to let this continue for 10 minutes before we put the valve in place. So now our 25 minutes can begin because we're at our 10 pounds per square inch pressure. It's been 25 minutes now, so we're going to turn the heat off and let the pressure canner begin to cool down and reduce its pressure down to 0. But we have to do it very slowly.
Okay, the canning process is drawing to an end. The pressure canner has cooled down and has reached normal pressure again. So Lee is loosening the lid so that we can see how all of our jars turned out. Okay, now it's time for Lee to remove the jars. Actually, I said they were cooled. They don't look as though they're completely cooled. I think they're still pretty hot, but the pressure in the canner should be normal.
And if you listen, you'll start hearing the pops.
Ooh, that's always a fun sound when you're canning.
It's the next morning, and here are our beans, labeled and ready to store and enjoy during the coming months.